class 3. Today we are going to start with GUI and operating system. Okay, first of all, I'm going to ask you a question. Who looks after your houses? Who looks after your work at home? That's your mother. She cooks for you. She washes dishes. She helps you in studies. She does everything. So in the same way, operating system, it's like a manager of a computer. Like a mother, she manages all the work at home. So operating system is a manager of a computer. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about the operating system and the user interface. Okay, operating system is a software that operates the computer system through its various functions. So operating system is a software that operates the computer system, like a mother at your home who cooks for you, who washes the dishes, who cleans the house, who grooms yourself. Okay, so it's like a mother of your house. So operating system or OS, it's divided into different parts. Number one, different types of operating system. Number one is MS-DOS. Number one is MS-DOS. Number two is MS Windows. Number three is Unix. Number 4 is Linux. And number 5 is Mac operating system. So there are 5 types of operating system: MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux, and Mac operating system. Okay, next we will talk about the user interface. Operating system provides a user interface in which we can communicate with the computer. For example, I'm going to give you a very simple example. If there are two values, value number 1 and value number 2, and there is a road which connects these two values. So this road is like a user interface between these two values. So user interface is a connection between a user and a computer. In the same way, a user interface is of two types. So, user interface is of two types. Number 1 is known as CUI. And number 2 is GUI. So, what is CUI and what is GUI? CUI is known as character user interface. So CUI is known as character user interface and GUI is known as graphical user interface. So user interface is of two types. Number 1 CUI and number 2 GUI. What is CUI? Character user interface. And what is GUI? Graphical user interface. Okay. What does CUI do? In character user interface, the user interacts with the computer system through typing commands. So in CUI, how do we interact with the computer? We type commands with the help of keyboards. That is CUI. And graphical user interface. In graphical user interface, the user can use a mouse to interact with the computer system just by clicking. For example, Windows. So in Windows, what do? To open certain files, to open certain folder, what do? We use the help of the mouse and we click. That is graphical user interface. So in CUI, we give commands, whereas in GUI, we use the graphics with the help of mouse, like Windows, MS Windows. Okay, the next one is an operating system. Next, we'll learn about the operating system. Let us learn about MS Windows and operating system. MS Windows is the most popular operating system. Okay, so operating we are talking about MS Windows. MS Windows. And This MS Windows operating system is made by the company named Microsoft Corporation. This Windows is made by the company named Microsoft Corporation, and that is in USA. Understood? So when we switch on the computer, there is a process. When you switch on the computer memory gets loaded. That process is known as booting. So booting is a process. When you switch on the computer memory gets loaded. That process is known as booting. Okay. In moving further, we'll learn about how to switch on the computer. The 4 steps to switch on the computer, and the steps to change the desktop screen, to change the desktop background, and the screen saver. Till then, my dear student, stay home and stay safe.